May I come in, ma'am? Yes, please come in. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the American Institute of English Language. Please have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome. How may I help you today, ma'am?
We want to know about your English speaking goal because my daughter wants to improve her spoken English.
So first of all, ma'am, let me tell you about our institute. So our American Institute of English Language has been helping students improve their English communication skills for many years. We have 700 plus branches across India and our course duration is of 3 months. So students attend 2 hour classes every day. The first hour is totally dedicated for theory classes and the second hour is dedicated for personal conversation and spoken English practice. And ma'am, we also conduct podium classes every Friday and Saturday as part of our activity class. So students are given a topic on which they have to speak. So it helps students come out of the stage fear and it also improves their confidence. So our motive is not only to provide or teach English, but is to make every student an excellent English speaker. The registration fees is 200 and the tuition fees is 4700, ma'am. If you pay in installment, the first month you have to pay 2200, the second month you have to pay 2000 and the last and third month you have to pay 1500. If you pay for once, you have to pay 4900 total, 200 registration fees and 4700 tuition fees. As part of this course, we also provide an LMC card. So if you ever feel that you want to improve your English or practice more, want to improve your fluency, you can join anytime, anywhere of our branch, but free of cost. Okay, and with this, we also provide 4 course books and 1 action sheet.
That's a wonderful facility.
Ma'am, I would like to take admission here.
Oh, that's wonderful. What's your full name?
Myself, Khushi Gupta.
Okay. What are you doing now? Are you studying or working?
I am studying in class 12th, ma'am.
Okay. And who referred to our institute?
One of the teacher recommended me for this institute.
Okay. Please sign here and write today's date.
It's done.
Thank you. Ma'am, how would you like to pay the fees? Cash or online?
Alright.
Okay, ma'am. Here's the scanner. You can scan it. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So your admission process is complete. Here is your batch details and the admission form.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm excited to start my classes.
You're most welcome. Welcome to the American Institute family.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your guidance.
You're most welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you doing, ma'am?
I'm absolutely fine. How are you all today?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, be seated.
Thank you, ma'am.
So today we are going to discuss ing structure and has-have structure. Okay?
Yes,
Are you a new student?
Yes, ma'am. I'm a new student.
What's your name?
Myself, Khushi Gupta.
Khushi Gupta. Be seated.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so are you people ready for learning something new?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So firstly, don't write anything. Just observe me carefully what I am writing. Okay. Subject plus is MR plus action ing form. When we use it, when an action is happening at the same time at this moment, we use this structure. Okay? Everybody repeat after me. Subject is MR action ing form. Okay. What is subject? I, you, he, she. First person, second person and third person. Okay, so let's do some practice. Suraj, what are you doing?
I'm sitting, ma'am.
Okay. I am sitting. Very good. Now, Viraj, are you smiling?
Yes, ma'am, I am smiling.
Wonderful. I am smiling. Khushi, what are you doing?
I'm listening you carefully, ma'am.
Excellent. I am listening. So is that clear to everybody?
Yes,
Whenever an action is happening at the same moment, we use the structure subject, time word is MR and action ing form. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Now let's learn another pattern.
I have taken my breakfast. Now, Khushi, have you written your essay?
I have written my essay.
Wonderful. I have written my essay. So, is that clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say I have wrote my letter?
Good question. No, after has and have, we always use action third form. So don't say I have wrote, just say I have written. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So keep learning, keep practicing. One more topic and then we will go to today's group discussion session. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
So welcome to everyone to today's group discussion session. So before beginning, let me tell you 3 simple rules. Number 1, speak only in English. Number 2, listen when others are speaking. And number 3, respect everyone's opinion. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Great. So today's topic is why we should learn English. Khushi, I'll start with you.
In my opinion, English is important because it helps us to communicate with the people from different places and it also increases our confidence.
Very good. Viraj, your turn.
Okay, I think English is very important because it helps to provide a better career opportunity. Nowadays, it is very useful at every profession.
Excellent. Suraj sir, would you like to add something?
Yes, of course, ma'am. English is important because English is very widely used language all over world. That's
Wonderful. Lucky, what do you think? I think the best way to learn English is speak it every day. We shouldn't afraid from making mistakes because mistakes help us learn.
Okay, very good. I really appreciate your thoughts, Lucky. Gangesh, would you like to add something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think English is not only a language, it is also a skill. If we practice regularly, then we speak fluently and confidently.
Wow, it's a wonderful thought.
Okay, so you all people listened very carefully to one another, shared meaningful ideas and spoken very confidently. So keep practicing, keep learning every day and never be afraid of making mistakes. If you want to learn English with fluency, join American Institute. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.